Good morning everyone. My name is Shakta. I am studying in third class. My school name is United High School. Good morning everyone. My name is Devans. I am studying in third class. My school name is United High School. Good morning everyone. My name is Ishwar. I am studying in third class. My school name is United High School. Hello my friends. Hello. Do you know why today is special? Today is Teachers Day. Our teachers are really great. They will always help us. We love our teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sekitana. I am studying in 6th class from United High School. Today I am telling few sentences about Teachers Day. On September 5th we celebrate Teachers Day. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is a great teacher and he born on this day. It is our responsibility to celebrate our teachers' hard work. Teachers will help us in achieving our goals. They work hard from morning to evening to bring results in their students' lives. We should respect all our teachers. They will always shower their love on us. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers, friends. Myself am Prasan Reddy of 8th class, United High School. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great teacher and excellent scholar. He was the first vice president and second president of our India. He was the best. He was born on the 5th September. This day is celebrated as a Teachers Day. Teachers Day is very special and memorable day in every teacher's life. Teachers play an important role in students' life. Teachers act as a guide and show us the best path. It is a time for us to appreciate their effort. We are heartfully thanking every facility and wishing happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone and a warm welcome to all of teachers on this special occasion of Teachers Day. Today we gather to honor and acknowledge teachers' hard work, dedication who has touched the subject and valuable life lesson. My heartfelt thanks go out to every teachers who has touched the subject and valuable life lessons. Your encouragements and support have have we helped through the encouragement. We are forever grateful. Thank
Good
you.
morning, this is Abhishek Mohan. I am studying in 10th class. I am here to represent speech on Teachers Day. The Teachers Day celebration is important because it shows our appreciation for our teacher. It's a special time to say thank you for all the things they teach us. Teachers help us to learn and grow, so we celebrate to make them happy. Celebrating Teachers Day reminds us of the kindness and knowledge they shared with us. We can make cards and gifts to show our love and gratitude. Teachers Day celebration make our teacher feel special and valued. This celebration brings us all together to honor our teachers' hard work. Through this celebration, we show that teachers are important and deserve our respect. Thank you.
Good morning to my dear friends and respected teachers. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the auspicious occasion of Teachers Day. Teachers Day in India is celebrated on 5th September to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a former president, scholar, philosopher and recipient of Bharat Ratna. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to all our teachers for making us what we are today. Teachers are the second parents for children, making him or her a better human being. They teach us good manners and discipline to lead a successful life. They are the nation builders by creating a uplift the nation of the in the world. And thank you teachers for all your love and support. Thank you for being a true friend, philosopher and guide to us. And happy Teachers Day to all our teachers. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Teachers Day is a special day in India. We say thank you to our teachers. It is celebrated on 5th September every year. We celebrate to show our love and respect to our teachers. Teachers help us to learn new things and become smarter. They are like our guides who teach us, who show us the right path. We give them flowers and gifts to make them happy on this day. They are like Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan birthday is on 5th September and he was a great teacher and our former president. Teachers play an important role in our life by helping us learn and grow. They are like our friends who teach us the valuable lesson. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Satika from 9th class. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers Day. Teachers Day hold great significance in India as it honors tireless effort of educators. It is a day to appreciate the guidance, knowledge and wisdom teachers provide to students. And it is a day to pay tribute to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great scholar and second president of India, whose birthday is celebrating as Teachers Day. Teachers inspire to students to dream big, learning and contribute positively to society. Students show their gratitude by making cards, gifts and speeches, etc. Thank you for giving this opportunity to speak about teachers and Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers.
Good
Thank you.
morning everyone. My name is K. Revant. I am studying in 4th class. My school name is United High School. We all celebrate Teachers Day on September 5th. September 5th is birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Our teachers are really great. We should respect our teachers. Teachers are like candles. They will burn themselves and give light to the world. We love our teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Swati Mishra from 9th class. Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated in all schools and colleges across India on 5th September every year. It is a day when we gratefully remember the great educationist, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose dream was that teachers should be the best mind in the country. He was a distinguished scholar and an excellent teacher. He also served as the first Vice President of India and then as the second President of India. Students celebrate Teachers' Day by paying tribute to their teachers in a special way. For all students of India, Teachers' Day is like an occasion and opportunity to pay the tribute and gratitude to their teachers for their continuous, selfless and precious efforts in shaping the future. They are the reason to increase the quality education system in the country and process it continuously without getting tired. Our teacher never consider us less than their children and teach us from their heart. They prepare us to tackle any bad situation in life through knowledge and patience. Dear teachers, we are grateful to all of you and will be forever. Thank you.
All today we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. To begin with, I would like to salute and extending my overwhelming gratitude to the teachers community. They have always been a guiding light and providing rigid supporting in achieving our goals. Today, on behalf of every student, I would like to say that we owe a big thank you to each teacher who has helped us directly or indirectly in achieving our goals and shaping our life. Thank you and very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning everyone. I am Eritka. I am studying in 6th class. My school name is United High School. I am telling about few sentences of Teachers' Day. Today is 5th September and we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, he is a great teacher and he was born on this day. He was an excellent teacher, a great scholar and second president of India. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They are the source of very good knowledge and our wisdom. Teachers teach us good manner and make our freedom. Wisdom. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
My name is Sai Smigdha. I am studying in 5th class in United High School. Teachers Day is celebrated on September 5th in India. September 5th is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. We love our teachers. They always work hard for us. Teachers guide us to achieve success in our life. It is our responsibility to respect our teachers. Happy Teachers Day to all my lovely teachers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very warm welcome to all my respected teachers and everyone present here. Today I am here to deliver a speech on Teachers' Day. I would like to start my speech by thanking all my beloved teachers for always guiding us and bestowing us with a teaching moral values and discipline. Teachers' Day in India celebrated on 5th September to mark the birthday of our second President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan was also first Vice President of India and he was a great scholar and adult teacher and he was born on 5th September 1888. It was after becoming the President of India, some of his friends and students approached him to celebrate his birthday. To this he replied that instead of celebrating his birthday on a particular day, it would be his privilege on 5th September is celebrated as a Teachers' Day all over the India. Thereafter, 5th September is celebrated every year to honor our beloved teachers who nourish and prepare us for a better future. So finally, I would like to wish all my beloved teachers a happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I feel honored to stand here and welcome our prestigious teachers on this occasion of Teachers' Day. Words fall short. I start to describe how important role the teachers plays in any student life. I can only say what our Vedas also teach us that Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Saksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. It means that a teacher in himself has a completion of all forms of gods. That's why teacher's place is considered above God in our society, in our history. A teacher has given utmost importance because a mother womb gives a human body. A teacher gives a human values for the strength in our society as humanity. A teacher helps in our becoming progressive. A teacher opens the windows of thousands of opportunities for all students. Finally, I wish a happy and wonderful Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Amshi. I am studying in 7th class. Today we all are celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5th. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan born on this day. He is a great teacher and former President of our India. We celebrate this day to show our love and respect toward our teachers. Our teachers are like our guides who show us right path. Teachers play an important role in our life. They will always teach us valuable lessons. On this special day, we have to appreciate our teachers' hard work. We are heartfully thanking every teacher who plays an important role in our life. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
My name is Sarita. I am studying in 6th class from United High School. Today I am telling a few sentences about Teachers Day. It is birth of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was also a good teacher. Later he became the President of India. Teachers play an important role in the life of a child. Teachers give knowledge to the children. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, respected principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Anshpata. Today is 5th September and we are celebrating Teachers Day. At first I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great teacher and excellent scholar and second President of India. Teachers Day is best way for students to express respect for their teachers. Teachers are source of knowledge and wisdom. Teachers teach us good manners and make our future bright. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Today we are gathered here to celebrate a day that holds immense significance in our lives, that is Teachers Day. This day is dedicated to honoring those individuals who tirelessly dedicate themselves to our growth, both academically and personally. Our teachers are the guiding lights who illuminate the path of knowledge, wisdom and character building for us. Teachers Day is not just a day to offer flowers and gifts, it's a day to express our deep gratitude and appreciation for the selfless work our teachers do. They play a crucial role in shaping our future and molding us into responsible citizens of society. Their dedication goes beyond the classroom as they inspire us to dream big and believe in ourselves. On this day, we remember the great philosopher and teacher Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose birth anniversary we celebrate as Teachers Day. He believed that education is not just about acquiring knowledge, but also about fostering a sense of empathy, compassion and critical thinking. So let's take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to our teachers for their dedication, hard work and patience. Let's promise to value the education they provide us and strive to make the opportunity they offer. Thank you.